Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Saturday, 17 January 2026. Today is a Daily Lotto single prediction numbers. Number 7, number 9, number 18, number 25, number 34. Today is a Daily Lotto single prediction number. Repeat, number 7, number 9, number 18, number 25, number 34. Now SA Daily Lotto second prediction numbers. Number 1, number 3, number 16, number 28, number 34. Today SA Daily Lotto second prediction number. Repeat, number 1, number 3, number 16, number 28, number 35. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next notification. Please